Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube, and I have a Goodwill clothing haul for you today. I'm filming this in June 2020. My thrift stores are still closed. I feel like I'm one of the last areas where things are still not open, so I've been doing my sourcing for my Ebay and Poshmark business on ShopGoodwill.com. I have some other videos up on the channel with tips and tricks for shopping online from Goodwill, and I'll also share some tips and tricks with you again today. If you happen to be new here, hi and welcome. I'm Quenby. I'm a part-time reseller, which means I buy inventory, mostly clothing, on sites like ShopGoodwill.com, ThredUp. I go to thrift stores and yard sales, and I buy these items in order to resell them for profit online. It's really fun. It's a part-time gig for me. It brings in extra income, and I really enjoy it. And this channel is all about my journey of reselling. So please remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you know when new videos come up all about reselling content. And also when I go live, which is every Friday, live at 5 p.m. Pacific time on the channel.
I didn't subscribe to Grateful Queen, so I had bad luck. I only made a little bit of money. I had super bad luck. Now I did subscribe to Grateful Queen, so I had great luck. I can reach when I was just a child. I was able to afford ruby and diamond bracelets. And I had the best luck ever. I won the soccer game. I had so much money. Woo! It's raining money!
Okay, so this first one I know is a lot. So, just came like this. I haven't opened it yet. So one of my strategies for shopping on ShopGoodwill.com is to look for lots so that I can save on shipping cost. So usually they put a little invoice in here. I hope they did. I'm not seeing it right off the bat. It's looking like this. So if you don't know, many Goodwills across the country are now selling their stuff online. So it's like Goodwill shopping online. I totally love it. I've gotten tons of stuff for my business to resell, but I've also got stuff for myself. Just like when I go to the regular Goodwill stores, I've got some art and some rugs and some books and also a bunch of stuff to sell online. And I look for lots so I can save money on shipping. I look for things that are buy it now because a lot of it on there is auction. Okay, I don't see an invoice on this one. They often put my invoice in, so what I will do is this. I'm going to pop up right here in the corner what the cost of this lot was, including shipping and tax and everything, and what it breaks down to per item. So this was 4 pieces, and I remember why I bought one, and I'm going to pull that out first because it's kind of like, sort of like a Bolo brand. Yes. So, one of the things about ShopGoodwill.com, you guys, is they don't show you or tell you much. It's kind of like the wild. Like you'll see a picture of 4 women's tops and you click on the description and they might tell you some things like sold as is, or if there's a flaw they might put it or not. They often don't do measurements. They often don't list brands. Sometimes they do. So I've learned to look for things that I recognize. So this brand, most of you know, is Flax by Jeannie Engelhardt. This stuff sells so well in the like $25 to $45. It's usually women's lag and look layering pieces. It's usually linen. This is like so perfect from the brand. It's like a boxy lag and look linen top, blue, with a blue stripe. And I'm gonna now check for condition because it's tricky shopping online. That's one of the challenges. They don't give a lot of information or pictures, like I said. This looks to be excellent, so I'm really happy with this. And I want to say I got a good price on this. So again, I will have popped that up, but this I can probably sell for like $40. So I'm like, yes, that's great. The other thing in this lot, oh, I love this brand too. This is a women's size large, and it's Dolan Left Coast. It's often sold at Anthropologie. I don't know if this specific piece was. I'm looking for the interior tag. But this is a super soft gray woman's cardigan. So you can see it's kind of a textured white knit, and it has a classic dolman sleeve, which I think is one of the most flattering styles. Dolman means it's widest at the chest and it has narrow sleeves, so it's often very flattering. I always put it in my title. See how it has like fitted sleeves, but it's very wide. Super soft and stretchy cardigan with pockets. I don't see any flaws. This was a piece in the lot that I was not excited about, but it was in there, and this is not good. This is Papaya Collection. I don't even know where that's sold. Not a high-end brand or anything. It says 12, but this might be a girl's 12. This does not look like a 12. Maybe. It's actually kind of cute. I just don't think it's high quality. So it's a blouse with a sheer lace top, and it's kind of semi-sheer. This probably looks pretty good on. It's just not super quality, and I don't know why it's saying 12. I would put measurements in, as I always do on my listings on eBay and Poshmark, but that's not anything there. But this is pretty good too for style. This is Pleone, I believe. Let me see, is that coming through for you guys? There we go. I believe Pleone is sold at Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack, and I bought this. I thought this one was good for style. Honestly, if I remember, this was an inexpensive lot, and I was like, oh, if that flax piece is good, it'll pay for the whole thing. So I just went with it. And the Dolan piece I knew was good. This is good because of style, because check out the sleeve goodness on this top. Not only is it a bell sleeve, you guys, but it's a double bell. So a gray soft sweatshirt top with these great double bell sleeves. I can probably get like 15 or 20 for that. Okay, so that was one lot. This next piece I bought individually. Actually, I bought it with something I bought for myself. A tip for ShopGoodwill.com. When you're looking at the listing, you'll see a button that says estimate shipping. You put your zip code in and it'll estimate shipping. They ship with FedEx, and it's often expensive. So I often look for things. They have something on Shop Goodwill called 1 cent shipping. They don't use it a lot, but if you can find something with 1 cent shipping, fantastic. I ordered something for my house, an antique beautiful wood level that I'm using for like vintage farmhouse decor, and they also had this. This is a new tag, Free People. It's actually We the Free, but that's just a line of Free People. It retailed for $68, and it's a woman's waffle knit top. Oh my god, I see a flaw in it that they didn't know. That really stinks. It's a long tunic waffle top. These Waffle by Free People do really well. People look for them. I put waffle thermal, and it's got thumb holes, but see these really long side slits? Look, there's a hole. So they didn't sell this as like new with defects. I only paid $12. I paid $12 because it's new with tags, and I could probably sell it for like $40 on Poshmark. My Free People sells really well on Poshmark. But now it has a hole, so guess what? I probably have to keep it. Do you guys do that? Like many resellers, myself included, will just like keep the flawed merchandise. Like, oh, too bad it has a hole or a stain. I guess I have to keep it. Do you do it, or is it just me? Okay, a few more things here. I'll chit chat with you while I'm opening this up. This looks like it's just one item, so I don't know what it is. I've been shopping on there a lot, so a lot is coming to my door. Have you guys tried ShopGoodwill.com? One of the reasons I'm making so many videos about it is because on my live show it comes up a lot, and people are like, Wendy, I can't figure out the site. So if you have any questions, I'll answer them in the comments, but I find the site pretty easy. Oh, this I got because it's a new with tag We the Free shirt, and it was only $5.99. So let's check this out. We the Free, and here is the tag. It's covered up what the original tag was. But another thing I'm noticing, see, this is one of the challenges, you guys. So it has a top. It has a tag, but it's not the Free People with tag, so I can't really sell this. It actually says Lucky brand attached to it, so this is not even the tag, and so it's not technically new with tag. But this is a women's like baby doll. That's the hem, and also maybe a peplum hen. Look at that ruffle. Look at the distressed sleeves. This is awesome. It might be new because Free People stuff, it all looks like intentionally distressed. But this is one of the challenges with shopping on ShopGoodwill.com. you don't get a ton of information. You have to take a little bit of risk. This was only $6, so it's not a very big risk. Let's open up this baby. As you can tell, I buy a lot of Free People. Why? It's personally my favorite brand, so I don't mind getting stuck with any of it. This top I have on is Free People, and it's that waffle knit. So that's why, and it sells really well for me. Let's see, this is another lot. Oh, I have to talk to them about this. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to give like a negative review of this. So I bought a lot of 2 Toad & Co. women's dresses. Toad & Co. is a brand that sells really well for me. It's super expensive. Like this dress retailed for $129. I bought a lot of 2 dresses and they only sent me 1. What is up, Goodwill? And I'm a little nervous. This is a beautiful lavender color, like a super lightweight dress. I totally love it, but I wouldn't have bought just 1. It was a good deal for the 2, and I'm not sure, like, how do you even get in touch with them over at ShopGoodwill.com? I mean, this is merino wool and tencel, so that is just like an amazing fabric content. This is awesome. So I'm gonna have to see if there's any way to like contact Goodwill and be like, hey, I didn't get my order, because it's really just like a website, and they say in a lot of their listings like we don't answer questions, etc. So I want to unbox one more thing with you. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I just took a minute to go on the site, Shop Goodwill's site, and there was a spot where I could email directly the specific location that I ordered from. So they did have like a customer support, and I created a ticket. I don't know. We'll see. But at least they had something like that, so that was good. Okay, so this I'm opening up. This is pretty cool. I'm going to unbox this with you guys. One of our good reselling friends, Alicia Murray from her channel's Murrayed Life, she did an auction, a live auction on her YouTube channel. So I bought a bunch of stuff from her. I'll pop up here what I paid for it, including shipping, and that way we can see kind of how I did on this. I really appreciated Alicia for this. She sold these items at a really good price, especially to someone like me who lives in Northern California where thrift stores are like super expensive. So she was selling things for $5 and under. Yeah, it was awesome. I really appreciate it. I bought a lot of things that I know sell well for me. Like I bought a lot of the brand Chico's, because on eBay that sells awesome for me. So these are a pair of Chico's women's jeans, size 14, the contemporary. So I was looking at it because I'm not used to seeing this tag. So I wonder how she knew it was Chico's, because it just says contemporary. So I kind of have a feeling like maybe the brand is contemporary. I don't see the word Chico's anywhere. I see the word contemporary, like, so anyway, I'll do a little research on these. Maybe it's a line of Chico's, but a size 14 women's skinny jeans with some distressing, and they look to be in really great shape. That's awesome. And I bought from her also another pair of Chico's size 2. So if you're new to this whole thing, Chico's does what's called vanity sizing. It goes 0, 1, 2, 3. I think they might even have a 4. So a 2 is a size large. I always note that in my listing, and I put measurements. This is a pair of women's like khaki cargo pants. This sort of stuff sells great for me for like $20 to $30. They have a cute little like roll tab hemline there. So these are great. These are totally great bread and butter items for me to resell or to keep, because like this next top down here I knew I wanted for myself. This is a Michael Kors wallet. Pretty cute. She did disclose that it has like a little bit of wear. That's super cute. It's got like a little tear right here. So I don't know if I'll be able to resell that or if I'll just keep it or give it to my sister who loves Michael Kors. That's cute. Now this I wanted for me. This is a Lucky Brand women's top, and it's a size large. I like selling Lucky Brand too, especially on Posh. It seems to do well. And this is just like a classic peasant blouse. It's I guess it's black with like a blue floral paisley print, and it's kind of long with a high-low hem. So I'll try that on. I'm hoping that works for me to keep, but if not, I will sell it. This is an express dress. She said this was hers. I love this color. Turquoise is like my favorite. I kind of got this by accident. I'm totally fine with it. It's a skirt, I think, or is it a top? Extra small. I don't know if it's like a tubey top dress or if it's a skirt. I somehow got this, but I didn't, I was bidding on something else. It gets a little bit crazy on there, you guys, like when you're trying to bid on the auction, because it's like it moves so fast and it's really competitive. But it was so fun. She did such an awesome job. This is a pair of Chico's too again. Women's jeans. That's the newer Chico's tag too, that square brown boxy one. So that's good. These are like a cropped jean. So those will do really well right now. Again, in the like 20 to 40 depending. This is so great. And another pair of Chico's So Slimming. So that's like one of their like specialty line, size 2. And these are what I call like a pixie pant. If they have a flat front like that and they come down to like a tapered leg, I'll put pixie in the title. I might keep these because these would be so great for me for my other job. High rise, super stretchy, like skinny pants. Yes, please. Oh my God, I'm making such a big mess in here, you guys. Oh well, my poor family. It's like reseller life all over the place. It's always like clothes everywhere, inventory coming in. I had like all these boxes and bags sitting in the hallway for like days. My poor family is probably like, Quemby, get it together. This I bought, this is Daniel Rain, and Daniel Rain is sold at Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is one of those online styling companies where you get like a membership and they send you a box each week, and Stitch Fix sells pretty well for me. I like this color. It's got these pretty gold buttons. Really cute, like silky career top, and I can probably get like 15 for this if I don't keep it for my other job. I mean, I was kind of making a joke because it's like, I'm 44, Alicia's like 25 or something, and it's like I'm in Chico's age now. Like I still love my Free People stuff and my fun boho stuff, but like for work and the rest of my life, I'm like living in like J. Jill and Chico's now. Oh well. And this is a Chico's size 2, so that's another large, and it's like a sparkly metallic cardigan top. That's cute. It has like a weird feeling though, so I wonder, you'd have to definitely layer this, obviously because it's an open front, but it's like an open front cardigan, size large, black metallic-y thing. So that's all great. I'm gonna try some of this on and decide what I'm gonna keep. My son Torvald is creeping right now. Creeping in the video.
Don't forget to subscribe to Grateful Queen, turn on notifications.
Thank you, my little marketer. Love him. So I'll try on some of this stuff. Thank you so much, Alicia. That was so fun. I'll definitely be at the next one. How do you think I did with the Goodwill stuff? A little disappointing with one Free People top that had a hole. Oh well. And getting that only one dress for my $19.99 when it was supposed to be 2 Toad & Co., which makes it like an awesome deal for a new tag Toad & Co. So let me know how you think I did. I'd love to hear from you in the comments, and hope to see you Friday at Live at 5. Bye for now, guys.
Don't forget to like the video.